Right, so hello guys, namaste YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So time right now is around 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. And the plan for today is to head South Goa, go to our one of the, or maybe we can say the favorite beach, Kola Beach, and maybe go to Benaulim Beach if we have time. And yeah, this is our room. Quite messy it may seem, and this is the property. Really peaceful, lots of greenery and really quiet place. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's hop down, put the tank back, and helmet is charging, GoPro has been charged, drone has been charged. So yeah, let's go down, get on the bike and let's get going. See you guys on the bike. All set, bike has been warmed up, पूरा luggage setup हो चुका है. Distance to South Goa is about 75-ish kilometers from our place, but yet trust me, it is completely worth it. Each and every single kilometer, each and every single minute to reach that. The Google map says around 2.5 hours to reach the destination. So got off from the NH66 and now we are on the beautiful Goan roads. Amazing. So a little bit of change in plan. Firstly we are heading to Benaulim beach and then we will be going to Kola beach because we want to enjoy the sunset at the Kola. So I decided to go to Benaulim first of all and then Kola. So yeah, Kola is about 45 kilometers from here. Benaulim is right now around 10 kilometers from here. So we'll see you guys once we reach Benaulim. And this is the Benaulim beach. Finally we are here at the Kola beach. Oh sorry, the Benaulim beach. And yeah, planning to not really waste much of a time here because not that great of a beach this one is. So just sit on some shack, maybe have some food, some juices or something, and yeah, once we are done from here we will probably, not probably, we are going to Kola beach and try Butterfly beach if we have time. Time right now is around 1 o'clock, so don't really think that is going to be possible. So we will just go to Kola beach and then we will see for the night. So yeah, that is about it. Oh yeah, and we can fly the drone here. The wind blast is really low and it is not an restricted area. So yeah, some drone shots coming up in 3, 2, 1. So left from Kola Beach, left from Benaulim, now heading towards Kola. Time right now is 2:30 and it says about 31 kilometers and 1 hour for a 31 kilometer ride. Okay. And the small red muddy trail starts from here. I think we'll just go really slow because I have a pillion as well, and bike's chain, tire, everything just kind of messes up. This is the Kola beach. सेफली पार्क करते हैं साइड में. This is the very beautiful and my personal favorite Kola beach. Being New Year and Christmas and long weekends, it is really crowded, but yet it is okay because it is so damn beautiful, and on this side it is not that crowded, we can say. So yeah, we are trying to go over there on the rocks and we will try to fly the drone if possible. So yeah, enjoy the drone shots.